Yo guys, it's Up Shadow here, and welcome back to another episode of Space Engineers. Alright, today we're working on a base connector for our little, oh, maybe I should turn it on, huh? For our little explorer vehicle. So, the way I'm gonna do this, first I'll have to check how this connector will align. Let's say if I back up like this, which is pretty much where I will put the connector. Back it up carefully. Okay, this might actually just line up. Yeah, I think so. If you just slap a connector down here, this might line up perfectly. I mean, yeah, sure, we'll do that. Okay. The way we'll do that is we'll put the connector here, then we'll use the conveyors to link that connector to the rest of the system via this little outtake here, or outlet rather. But yeah, we'll have to get this bad boy finished up as well. And yeah, we're still producing good old steel here. Good old American steel. There you go. We're almost done as well. That's good. I think we'll have to readjust the drill head once again. I think we're at total depth right now. So let's actually reduce the maximum like so. Get up. And then we'll just continue as we did. Grab some more. And then once the connector and everything stands, we'll have to check how we'll continue. Yeah, the sun is gone again. I'm pretty sure our solar panels are nigh useless on this planet. Or not on this planet, on the location we decided to stay on. Because we're near the pole. Kinda like how it is on Earth in some, you know, locations where during summer or winter, really depends on, I think, if you're on the south or the north hemisphere, you either get pretty much days where you have no sun or days where you only have sun and no night. So yeah, I guess it's kind of similar here. Okay, let me expand that again. Then we'll expand it to 2 meters, and I think with that we'll have a good amount of stone ready. Okay. And some more steel plates. We're almost finished. We just need like 13 more steel plates and then we're done. But yeah, that's pretty good. Connector wise, that will work. I'll have to group the batteries as well so we can have to tell them, you know, to charge, because I don't think they normally do. If you just, or rather, if you connect stuff, they will charge with everything else essentially, like at the same time. But I think you can like prioritize them. Let's see, yeah, we have 2 batteries here, so let's group them together. Batteries. I think that's how you write that, right? And then we can just tell them to recharge on and off. I think if you put it on auto, it will just redistribute the energy to all like recipients equally. But I think if you put recharge on it or off, depending, it will either put all energy into it or none, I think. But we'll see. Right, let's expand this a little bit more. Now let's give it a few more meters. Go. Cool. That should complete it. Oh, it's 1,100. Yeah, maybe, you know, reading stuff. That's a big advantage if you read stuff properly. How are we doing on stone? 15k in the bank? Yeah, pretty much. Okay. I'll also get components for here into my build planner. Not quite sure if we have anything in the build planner right now. Yeah, we do. We have the refinery in it. Cannot use that at the moment. Cannot withdraw 11 steel plates. Yeah, that's a problem. Steel plates, steel plates, steel plates. At the beginning, you always have just not enough. Okay, let's hook this baby up and see what we can do. We might also start putting up more of these for wind. Oh, jeez, fog. Yeah, that fog or a sandstorm? It's too quiet for a sandstorm, isn't it? Okay, approach carefully. There we go. I should put my own connector as. Oh, I think. Oh, I pressed a button that I shouldn't have. The J button to open your helmet. Yes. All right. Where's my connector? There it goes. Let's just call it something else so we can find it. Rover connector. There we go. Now, normally do this. Where is it? There it is. Which lock? Because then you can take it out of parking. I think you have to. Yeah, use for parking. There we go. And then I can, you know, release parking brakes. Wait, shouldn't it now? It's still switching the connector for some reason. That's weird. It shouldn't do that. Did I hit the wrong connector? Oh yeah, I did. That's weird. Okay. Now we should be able... Yeah, there we go. To release our parking brake without releasing accidentally our connector. There we go. That's good. Great. Okay, how are our batteries looking? Fully depleted in 5 hours. Oh yeah, and also right now they're actually spending charges. So if we put them on recharge, fully recharged in 13 minutes. There we go. Beautiful. So now, let us finish this frickin' refinery, because then steel will also be produced faster. Well, generally, things will be produced faster because we can refine faster. Then we can start setting up a second wind turbine. And yeah, everything will be good. The good life is coming. But it just needs... Now, 17 more. 17 more plates it needs. Are we on stone? Stone we have enough in the bank here. Yeah. Okay. Also, there was like, again, some good suggestions for things we could do. One thing I definitely should do is to put up like a display or use a one of these, what are they called? Data pads? To make to-do lists so I don't forget stuff. It's actually a good idea because sometimes I'm pretty sure I don't have ADHD, but sometimes I have moments where I'm like, oh, I could do this, and then I want to do this, and then I want to do this, and then I go, woo, you know, going off on 17 tangents, and then after 20 minutes I'm like, what did I want to do again originally? But yeah, there you go. So that should complete it. Yeah. The rest, we're not gonna do the rest. It's fine. But now the refinery should... Where's the refinery? Is it not hooked up yet? Might not be hooked up. Yeah, it's probably not hooked up correctly. Yep, we have to switch this one out to a regular old conveyor block. There we go, like that. Swoop. Stuff. And ka-ching. That should work. Now we should see an influx of steel. Because now, yeah, there we go. The refinery is going. It's going. And we're getting plates. Yes, baby. Which also means we can now aggressively mine, so to speak. We can mine a lot quicker now because the stone is getting swallowed up a lot quicker as well, which is cool. Okay, so next step. Add more power to the system. Power to the system. No, power to the people. We'll basically replicate this thing, pretty much. I could look up what the optimal distance is. I could. But where's the fun in that? I'll reckon it's something about like 15 or blocks or something. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh. Well. There you go. I'd cut it short. Oh, there we go. Now we get the good stuff. Let's make 1,000 plates. 1,000. Okay, we're on 10. Oh, Jesus. Ouch. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then another 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 30 blocks in between. Then we're gonna try make it the same height. Just eyeballing this. I think one higher. Okay, like this. I stand on top and just fly over straight, pretty much. Yeah, I think we got that. I think we got that. Okay, let's add to the build planner a wind turbine. There we go. Wind turbine. Whoop! Well... Oh, I cannot even place it because I don't have the components. Alright. Girders. Okay, we need to produce some girders, apparently. There you go. Can produce some girders. Let's increase our drill by a bit to maximum depth. Okay. Let's try to grab the girders as well. They shouldn't have that long to produce them. All components successfully withdrawn. Yeah! Hello, sun. Is the sun rising from there? Oh, we'll see. Anyway, second turbine. Excellent. That should pretty much, I mean... Ooh, our station has still only 3 hours of energy. Huh. Well, you know what that means, right? We're gonna frickin' put turbines all over this place. So yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 30. And another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There we go. And at this beautiful demonstration, you can actually see the curvature. Or maybe it's just that the terrain is getting different here. I don't know. I want to... It bothers me that this is not connected to the ground. Can I, like... Can I place? Please? Come on. You can do it. It's like 1 pixel where you have to hit it, I think. You can do it. You can do it. I believe in us. This is totally not a waste of hydrogen. Believe me. Come on! Alright. If you don't want to help me, if you don't want to cooperate, I'll do it myself. Now we have an ugly hole in the ground. I don't care. Okay. So, that needs about 2 more blocks. That looks about right. Let's add... Oh, whoops. Add another one. I think that's about right. Yeah, that looks about right. Okay. I think we made 100 girders, so we should probably have enough. Yep. Here we go. Next turbine. Slap down. Oh, hydrogen's running out. Come on. Oh, there we go. We get back, and we hopefully don't crash. There you go. Okay. Survey says... Perfect. Good. That means we have pretty much fully solved our energy problem. That's good. Well, it wasn't really a problem, but our situation has been rectified, I would say. Good. Now, efficient resource collection is still a little bit iffy, to say the least. But we'll deal with that. We'll deal with that. One problem at a time. Let me actually just reset this drill. Switch it back. Go. As this is coming up, we'll wait until it's up all the way. Then go over a bit. Whoop. Slowly but surely. I think, like this is actually visually almost better to watch. We're getting close to our staircase there, actually. Oh well. Alright. Seems fine to me. Let's extend it again. Let's make it 4 meters. I think we can handle the workload. There. Look at the beautiful dig site here. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Not really. But yeah. Okay. We have our vehicle. It has probably been charged at this point, if I had to guess. In 4 minutes. Okay. Fair enough. Now that we have workload again, do we have... Okay, with workload we actually do not have unlimited energy. Ooh, but the sun... Oh, look at that. That's a beautiful sunrise. Would you look at that? Oh, that is nice. It would be even nicer if it just come all the way over here and then our solar panels would actually be here for something. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Okay. As a new day dawns, let me think what's gonna be next. So this bad boy we have, well, upgraded in a way. Also now we should have an oxygen tank. Ooh, we should also make sure that one refills. That's actually a thing. Yeah, we have to... Oxygen tank. There it is. Let's also name this so it's easier to find. Rover oxygen tank. Rover oxygen tank. Let's see. I think if you put it on stockpile, it should fill really quickly. Technically, it should fill with everything it has. Let's see if it does that. Tank. There we go. That's what I like to see. Okay. So that means we can use this vehicle even for longer expeditions now. That's quite nice. In the meanwhile, our steel production is, you know, it's going nicely. The question is, if now that we have a quick refinery that can handle a lot of workload, if we should like heavily extend our static mining operation here. And by heavy extend, I mean to create basically something, maybe like over here on the flat terrain, a bit away from over there, something that is basically gonna do things automatically. And I'm talking fully automated with timer blocks, you know, basically saying the thing like a rotor that has what, 1 round per minute, meaning after 1 minute we know that it has made a full you know, revolution, and then automatically increases the depth, and then it does that like X times. I'm pretty sure we can set that up in a very complicated manner that only requires timer blocks, so we don't have to mess around with the programming. And then after that, resets the height, goes out like 5 meters, and then does the whole thing again, like a circular mining platform. That would be really cool to do. And I think I've done these like semi-automated, where I just let them go in a circle, and then every once in a while I'll just increase the depth and the radius. But yeah, that would be kind of cool. The way we would set this up is we basically would make a really ugly like a walkway from up there, and then go down from top, and from there we'll build it. It's basically going to be a hanging construction, so that there's no like, you know, not like here where there's walkways and you know, base buildings in the way. Not like that, but from the top, a hanging structure that makes it so that we can get the maximum out of our mining, so to speak. Also, while I'm thinking about this, I'm just gonna fix a few more of these little bit ugly looking base plates. But yeah, I think that would be kind of cool. And with that, we would at least be able to, you know, get our steel production flowing. Because this here requires a lot of manual maintenance. Which, you know, at the beginning, this might not be too bad. Especially because we, you know, we do need a lot of resources at the beginning. And like that, we get a lot. But I think for the road ahead, it would be a lot better to do this automated. So let's do that. Okay, let's start this. So first thing we need is a walkway to this location. So let's do this in a professional looking way, so that we actually have like a stair we can go up, and then we'll have the control panel up top, you know. So I'll start that walkway. You know what? It's probably even better if we do it in this direction, because a little bit away from the ice, so to speak. So yeah, we'll start like here probably. But now we need construction components, interior plates, and small tubes. Let's get all of those. Oh, we have no more construction components. That's a bit unfortunate. Let's make some more then, please, if we can. Oh, it's making cobalt right now, the basic refinery. Oh, well. You know, we can actually move this to the normal refinery. That probably will be a lot faster. Just saying. Let's put these back and get some of these. Okay. Right, so let's start here. So, and then I'm gonna... Normally, what I do to just connect these freestanding stairs that I'm about to do, what I normally do is I use lights. Where are the lights? Spotlight. There it is. What I normally do is I use these corner lights, place them like this, and then you can place more stairs. However, I think we could also do it this way, where we take these here, and then just use these bad boys, like so, to basically make the, you know, the required connection so you can actually place more. So yeah, we'll just outline this real quick. Oh, is my... something in the way? No, I was in the way, I think. That's the problem. As usual, I stand in my own way. Okay, we'll have to get... I think quite far up. I think as a reference, we can take our drill right there. That's the minimum height that we need. If we get more, it's gonna be easier to, you know, to manipulate, I would say. Okay. So, let's, stairs like that. Okay, cool. Then we'll just, for the sake of completion, we'll, do this on this side as well. Then I think we can also... I'm actually not quite sure. Yeah, I think we should be able to put like slopes on the bottom to cover it up. Will look really pretty, I think. Normally I just use the side plates, but I'll try to cover it up properly this time for some reason. Oh, it'll look good. That's the reason. There you go. Okay. Let me actually see if I can do that. Must be... oh, wait. There it is. Yeah, there you go. Oh, this is gonna look swell. Yeah. Okay, and then technically up here we can just use steel plates. Then we'll just go like whoop all the way. We'll take it quite a bit away because I don't want to have to drive around a mining operation every time I want to fill up, you know, because our connector is there. We might move that at one point because it might be easier in the future to move it to a different space, but for now we'll just keep it that way. Okay, cool. This goes all the way like this. We'll have to obviously get a little bit of conveyor going as well. Now let's add a few more. Just for... There we go. That's not bad. Okay. Now how are we gonna conveyor this stuff? I would say we'll let me conveyor. Oh yeah, I already have it here. I'd say we do something like this, that we put a block here, and then we just route it over here like that with these straight conveyors, and then we'll connect it down to here into a conveyor block. We'll put that down later because right now I just want everything to function properly. But yeah, this will connect into here, and then we can run the conveyors. I'm gonna use these ones. I like them. Where are they? Huh? Oh yeah. Oh, I have small block equipped. They're not there, I think. Right. There they are, the reinforced ones, and I want them to be with the open part like so. So this is gonna look a little bit more massive than I intended first, but that's fine, I think. I'm gonna fall any second. This is gonna hurt. Out, out. Okay, everything's fine. Nobody's hurt. Okay, cool. Yeah, this is gonna be a massive operation, I can already tell. It's gonna cost so much to build. It's great. Okay. Where's the end? Somewhere here. There it is. Okay. And then from here, we'll just put a conveyor block. Right? And then at the bottom of this conveyor block, there's gonna be an advanced rotor. This time I'm not quite sure we're gonna work with a hinge. Doesn't really make sense, but yeah. So one of these. Okay, let me see. So we need piston drills. Is this actually gonna work, I wonder? We'll see. Okay, so we'll actually need another one of these. Then there's gonna be like a part in the middle that's not gonna be mined because, you know, oh yeah, because it doesn't have power. It just like gravity is acting on it right now. Okay, and then the drill is gonna connect to that. Problem is, yeah, that is a problem actually. Now I know with the rotor we have actually a little bit of space that we can use to pull it back up. And yeah, this is a problem. This is, oddly enough, this is not high enough. I might have to pull this whole assembly up 2 blocks. But I might just do it in the front here instead of having the whole shebang rebuild. So basically over here, I shouldn't be like trying to find the right block mid-air. That's just a waste of hydrogen. Okay, let me grab the C block. And then over here, we're just gonna send this up straight into the air for 2 blocks, I suppose. Then like so. So. And then first, that one. Then the rotor, and I think with enough rotor clearance, this should work just fine. I think. Yeah, that's fine. This block. Then one of these. And then... Whoa, don't get away from me. One of these. And then boom. There we go. Now, this might not... Actually, we might actually be able to give this a little bit more here. You know, give it one more. Like so. That's better. Like this, we should be able to drill a whole lot. And then we might just... Somewhere we have to hide away like 10 timer blocks to fully automate this. Or maybe we'll do it like semi-automated, where it does either increase radius every time it completes a revolution, or increases depth every time it does a revolution. And then every once in a while we'll have to reset it, increase either the radius or the depth, you know, something like that. I think it would look cooler if it would automatically increase the radius, because then we would get like these awesome looking radial formations of stone being slowly chipped away. That would be kind of cool, I think. Yeah, I think that's our project, I would say, for the next few episodes. It's going to take a lot of resources, so we'll have to do a bit of manual drilling, but we have still a lot of space left here to drill, which is nice. So yeah, looking forward to this. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and take care.